It is very important to understand what is exactly going on and what are the trends, and this program has given us a lot of tools that allows us to better understand and to better plan what our next steps should be in order to achieve the best results possible. GIMP has helped me to better understand the way organizations work. I have serviced a lot of companies, but I have never been working inside of a big organization, and now I understand better the way they make decisions, the way they're organized, how the leadership work. That helps me a lot to better manage my team and also to better provide service and better provide value to my clients and my partners. I would recommend this program almost to anybody. I think it is important for professionals, for business leaders, and also for politicians or people that work in institutions to understand the current world and how we can adapt to this. The gap that exists between the technology that is available or the world that we live in, the market, the real world market. One of the things that surprised me the most has been the amount of things that I have been able to implement into my business right away. We are changing a lot of the business models that we're considering for the future, and also we have been able to change some of the key aspects that are more related to the world that is coming. We have learned how to be better leaders, and this program has not only helped us to become more effective as business leaders and to get better results, but also how to treat better your people, how to understand better your team, how to be more empathetic to them, and how to provide more value to the society with all the work that you do as a leader or as an entrepreneur or as a business owner. So I am very happy about that. Obviously, still have a lot to learn, but I am at least aware of where should I go and how to get there.